Hello everyone, this is Kumar. This is my YouTube channel Vmath, and this is my first video in my channel. So I take my first topic is number system. Before entering this number system, we just talk about few things about that. First of all, why we need numbers? Because of counting and calculating some things. In the early times, we are using fingers to count the animals or food, etc. But in nowadays, we are doing a lot of works in computers. In technology-wise, we do a lot of things. So for all this, numbers are very important. We are going with in the computer, the basic binary operators 0 and 1 are in the number system. So this kind of very important, one of the most fundamental thing in mathematics is number system. So let us go with this number system. So what is number system? A number system is a mathematical notation represented as a defined set of notations and now we are talking about types of number system. There are few types of number system I wrote here. That is natural number, whole number, integer, rational number and irrational number. We just go with one by one. First of all, we talk about the natural number. Natural numbers are start with 1, 2, 3, 4 and etc. This symbol is noted the etc. And in general, why we call natural numbers? Because in the starting I told we are using countings in for animals like 1, 2, 3. So not we include 0. So by including all the natural numbers plus 0 is called whole number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, dot dot dot. And integers is not different. Integer is also the same thing. Like the whole numbers, the integers are containing the whole numbers and its negative terms also. So it's like dot 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 minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Dot dot. And rationals are integers and rationals are we write in the fractions. Any integer is represented as in the fraction we call that is rational. So if something like 1 by 2 or 1 by 4 or 5 by 6 likewise. And what about the irrational? Irrational is nothing but the same thing. Any number cannot written in the form of fraction that is called as irrational. So that is root 2, root 3, pi, e means exponential. So these things. So these are the types of number systems. Now in the early times, why people are why people want to count first of all, so it has some reasons. Yes, numbers were created by humans because they needed way to count such things like animals, food, etc. In early years they used their fingers to count. Later they use some stones to notate, like, okay, one cow, one stone, two cows, two stones, like this. And then they are also use the sticks to mark on the walls. In many news or wherever you see in the wall paintings, They are mentioning in the countings also. And later, Egyptian number systems. Egyptian number system. Egyptians are using different notations for numbers like 1, 10, 100, thousands. And they are mainly use the number system as for trade, and they're building pyramids. And after that, we see the Roman number system. We are still using the Roman letters in the books or any other 3 or 4 pages columns. We are using Roman letter 1, Roman letter 2, Roman letter 3. So we are using still. And in that, they gave all, for all numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, they give a separate Roman letters. So yeah. And after that, we see the Hindu Arabic numbers systems. The modern number systems was mainly developed in ancient India. Indian mathematicians introduced the digits from 0 to 9. The idea of 0 they are introducing, like Aryabhatta and Brahmagupta. But later, the Arab schools was spread this number system in worldwide. So just because of this, it becomes Hindu Arabic number system. And here Aryabhatta and Brahmagupta made important contributions to mathematics and numbers. In modern days, we are using digits, means decimals systems. We are using the first 10 numbers in the whole number 0 to 9 for a lot of places. By using a mobile phone to contact someone, using the mobile number, that is 0 to 9, that is decimal numbers. And we use the binary numbers in computer technology. Binary system, there are two binary operators, that's why it's by in the sense there are two things. So one is 0 and the other is 1. So this is act as off, on, or like, this is a very basic for computers. The number system continues to grow with science and technology. The conclusion, the number systems evolved from the simple counting marks to advanced mathematical symbols. It helped humans develop trade, science, engineering, and modern technology. Thank you.